bummer. Something disappointing or unlucky. Missing the bus was a real bummer. It's a bummer that my favorite store closed. Gig. A job, especially a short-term job or a performance. My cousin got a weekend gig at a coffee shop. He accepted a gig as a party photographer. Kicks. Shoes, especially stylish or trendy sneakers. She bought some cool kicks for school. He keeps his favorite kicks very clean. Nada. Nothing. I looked in my wallet and found nada. I searched the room but found nada. Amped. Very excited or full of energy. I'm amped for the concert tonight. He felt amped after hearing the good news. On fleek. Looking perfect, stylish, or very well done. Your hairstyle is on fleek today. The birthday decorations were on fleek. Square. A person who is old-fashioned. My brother thinks I'm a square because I stay home on weekends. He called himself a square because he doesn't like loud parties. Ghosting. suddenly stopping all communication with someone without any explanation. Jake kept ghosting his friends after moving away. She was upset because her online friend started ghosting her. Cringe. Something very embarrassing or awkward. His joke was so cringe that nobody laughed. The speech became cringe after many mistakes.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!